What is going on, fellow Sambarians? Now what's up with his leg movements? Getting attacked. So today I was gonna do a little how-to video on installing some door sill decals on your Sambar van. Obviously not everybody owns a Sambar van, so this is not going to help anybody out with a truck. But if you do have a van and you want to put a door sill decal in your door sill, this video is gonna kind of help you out if you're unsure of how to install it. So rewind. Spam call. So I'm part of a Facebook group called the Sambar Squad, and one of the head honchos, Will, contacted me for some door sill decals for his short bus, his little yellow van. The paint line on there is it's looking a little wavy, so he just wanted to cover it up with something that would look kind of cool, you know. So I made him one that says Sambar Squad in yellow and black to kind of match the van. And then if you're not part of the Sambar Squad, which if you're on Facebook, I highly recommend it because it's very, very helpful. Everybody's great on that Facebook group. We did he did a van owner giveaway for a set of door sill decals, so he paid for them, and if you posted a picture of your van and got most likes, you won, obviously. And somebody won, and he did a custom set of Sambar Squad door sill decals, and it's gray with white lettering to kind of match his van. So I just did a little set to kind of match my van, which is green and this like bronzy color for that, just the door sill. So if you buy some or you're getting some and you need help installing them, hopefully this video will be helpful. So yeah, I'm gonna sell them, so I'll put some links down below in the description. I do custom stuff as well, so if your decals are all faded out on your van, he had me do something like this. So this matches the color of his yellow and black van, so you know your back stickers that say Diaz. And then here's just another example, the Sambars, the JA versions, so I can do those. And then like the weight stickers, because I'm pretty sure most of them are pretty worn out, cracked, and I've seen better days. So I'll do a video on how to remove that too if you're unsure, because it does look like they're pretty plastered on. But instead of spending money on an eraser wheel, which I am kind of sketchy about those because I don't want to burn through the clear coat. And I mean, I'm sure these clear coats are pretty old and will probably get burned through pretty easily, but I just use a heat gun and some kind of special adhesive remover which gets it off pretty well. I've done it on my other trucks. So anyways, let's we just spent 5 hours talking. Let's get to installing that decal. Okay, sorry about the ducks if those are they're quacking in your ear. Okay, so I know I said I had a moment spaced out. I did not do green and bronze. I did black and bronze to match the wheels for my sill. But first we're gonna need to clean it. Clean your sill. So you can either use Windex or isopropyl alcohol, 70%. Works very well. It helps get rid of any wax or residue from cleaning. I don't know if it removes any ceramic coating. if say you had your car ceramic coated, but you usually don't want to apply decals on some. So if you do have a van or a car and you ceramic coat it and then you want to put decals on it, your decals will not stick. Ceramic coat basically repels everything, unless it's a cheap ceramic coat. It may work, but if it's a fancy, you know, long-term ceramic coat, nothing will stick. And I would know because I've tried doing wraps on ceramic coats and it does not stick. It's really weird. Okay, so they're probably pretty dirty if you've never really cleaned your sill. So make sure you get that good and cleaned up all the way back. When you get your decal, now this is printed on a wrap material, so it is an air release, so don't trip out if you see some air bubbles in it. You can work it out. But with that being said, it is pretty thin, so I did put an application tape on it just to make it easy, because you know it's 36 inches long, so it's gonna get wavy, but the application tape keeps it sturdy. So can't really see it, but this one says Sambar Squad. So this one's kind of just to eyeball it, since it's can't really tape it up there or anything. So again, since it is an air release, the great thing about air release is you can pull it up. Most air release vinyl is only let me start over. Most air release vinyl is pressure activated. So until you push down on it, it's gonna be able to lift off. Or some vinyl like 3M, I think, or not 3M, well maybe 3M, and like Vivid Vinyl. Vivid Vinyl is a heat activated, so you have to heat it up after you wrap, and that's what kind of sets the adhesion. So this one, Arlon, it's a pressure sensitive, so we're just gonna get it up where we want it. And since we can't see through the application tape, oh, see, I stuck it down. That's totally fine. Just pull it up, kind of like a band-aid. Just kind of quickly get it up. Just kind of line it up. Use those eyeballs and say, oh, that's about a 1/4 inch. That's a 1/4 inch. Or if you need to get your eyeballs recalibrated, maybe make a mark on there where you want it to line up. So I think I want it to go right down there. You can push it down with your hand. Most certainly push it down with your hand. It's very air release vinyl is very user friendly. Let's see that. But if you have a squeegee, having a squeegee will help too, because then you can just kind of squeegee out all the air. And that's it. Doesn't she look great? Just kidding. So now we're going to take the application tape off. And if it pulls up the sticker with the application tape, then you don't have good adhesion and you need to start over. And you'll notice when you go over the body seams, the seams in the body, you can just press that down. Since it is an air release, it will conform. That I just heard somebody's about to crash. It'll conform to any shape, curve. So I'll just kind of, again, it's pressure activated. So just go back over it fingers. If you see any air bubbles, just push them out. And that actually looks really cool. Thank you, Will, for the great idea, man. I kind of dig it. So, let's get a shot above it. Okay, so, you know, it gets kind of tough in there, but you can just push your finger in there. Again, it's air release, so it's very forgiving. And there she is. So, Sambar Squad door sill. So it is laminated, and it will take a pretty good beating. I obviously would not drop anything on it, but it will protect the paint. So there you go. Let's see, get back a little bit. There it is. That was very simple. So again, if you're watching this video because you're in the Facebook group, if you see this and you want one of these, just contact me. If you won, Jimmy, I think Jimmy won. Congrats, Jimmy. This is how you do it, super easy. And Will, that's how you do it. And I mean, you've done a windshield banner decal, so that this is gonna be a walk in the park. But for anybody else who would like one, yeah, again, just hit me up. And there you go. And also other ones too, you know, the weight limit stickers and all the rest of them that go around the vehicle, because not a lot of them are still being produced. So ones that aren't being produced, I have replicated to be able to make. Or B, if you want to be custom and go with different colors, that can be done as well very easily. So yeah, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy Sambaring.